All right, so we're going to talk about heredity. Um, so let's imagine that you have several individuals, and um, those individuals have a certain height. Okay? And then we measure an entire population of individuals, and we see that some are fairly shorter and some are fairly taller than others. Okay, and so this would be the frequency of a particular height, and this would be our value down here. Okay, so heredity has to do with what if we take an individual here and we put them into the environment of someone we found here. Okay. And we ask whether their phenotype is due completely to their genes, to the environment, or some interaction between both. Okay. So let's say that we take an individual who's short, and that individual has a twin. Okay. And we're going to put them into two different environments. Now, this first environment was the same as the individual that was short, and this other environment is the one in which we measured the individual that was tall. And so when we do that, there are a couple of possibilities for those twins. They could both be short. The short individual could become tall, or there might be some sort of in between. Okay. And so these three situations show different effects where the individual remains short no matter the environment. This is considered to be totally due to genes. Where the individual completely changes the phenotype from being short to being very, very tall, this would be considered a complete environmental effect. And then when that twin in that second environment wasn't in between, wasn't as tall as the tallest, but not as short as before, then we would consider that a gene by environment interaction.